Watch me make $100 in 3 minutes, all while sitting comfortably at home. Pay attention to the number that you see right here, and watch the time here. And by the end of this demonstration, the number will have changed, and it will also be 3 minutes later. But I've sped up the video, so as to not waste your time. So I'll start now by just clicking this button here. Fair warning, this is not for everyone. In fact, it's really risky. Your money can get wiped out in seconds. So please, be careful and enter in at your own risk. But if you're a thrill seeker like me and don't mind risking it all in order to make more money, then the link will be in the description. So what you're seeing on the screen is me leverage trading Bitcoin on the Bitseven exchange. Don't get scared. It may look complicated, but trust me, this is really simple and takes just minutes to set up and start trading. Even if you've never purchased crypto or Bitcoin before, I'll explain how easy it is to get. And by the end of this video, you can be in your first trade in minutes. So, the rules are simple. You either trade up or down by clicking one of the two buttons, here or here. That's it. So now what I also want you to pay attention to is this graph area here and the profit area over here. And you'll notice that even though the graph shows the Bitcoin price falling, I'm actually making money while it crashes. Sweet, right? I'll now slow the video back down because this trade is about to end. Yes, there it is. In the wonderful world of leverage trading, we make money whether the price goes up or down. Amazing, right? So now let's check our profit. You can now see that the Bitcoin amount has changed. So let's just copy this number. Now we'll go over to Google. And I've already entered in the old Bitcoin amount that I had before the trade. And for future reference, whenever you need to check your Bitcoin amount, just type in this search term, BTC to USD, into Google, and it'll pull up the crypto price calculator. So now I'll paste in the new Bitcoin amount I've just earned. And bam, $100 in 3 minutes. Not bad. So starting your first trade is easy. To start a trade, just